G'day there. I thought I'd just go quickly through about order in building your roof. Don't do like I do and put the gutters on last. I was waiting for some parts, and it's always better to do your roof plumbing first. But before that, your veranda posts. Now this end, you won't see it by checking around, but this end is 3/4 of an inch lower than that end, which means each post is 3/16 of an inch longer as you go along. Now the idea of that is to get some fall in the gutter, so all your water runs down there. Water from the front runs down here, goes across the sediment trap, down that pipe, under the ground and up into the water tank. Now when you're setting up water tanks, set them as high as you can, because it gives you more pressure when you're operating it. Now, so when you're doing your roof, get some sort of I had to put mine up on my own, so I couldn't assemble the whole gutter and lift it up on my. What I did is I tacked some scrap wood on the bottom there, and I assembled the gutter actually up there. So do your end caps, do your downspout, get up there, put it together. Now just remember, in Australia, your downpipes must be every 12 metres or less. So make sure you've got that one sorted out. And so it's gutters, valley gutters if you need them, and then you start at the bottom of the roof and work your way up and finish off with your flashing. Same thing with the flashing, start at the bottom and work your way up. That's the order. And if you're putting sarking on, in Australia we don't have boards, we don't have timber on the roof, so you have to go straight across the rafters. So if you're putting your sarking on, I use gaffer tape and bulldog clips. I cut my rolls, spread out enough to do the first sheet, gaffer taped it down onto the next rafter, put my roof sheeting up, and then undid the bulldog clips, moved my sarking along a little bit further, and so on. And once again, your sarking starts at the bottom and goes up as well. So you get your overlaps. If there's any condensation under the roof, it catches on the sarking and runs down off the house. So that's your roofing system. So start at the bottom, work your way up. Make sure you've got your gutters on. I actually had to undo all the first row of screws, put my gutters in, put the clips on, and then pop the screws back through the mounting clips for the gutters. So if you do that first, and to get up, I have a forklift. I put a pallet on it, and I came up and got over the end here, and I've got a handle on the roof so that I can grab it when I'm getting up and down. So there's a few little tips for you.